Okay, a quick video on how to use permabears. And first of all, what's permabear? A permabear is just somebody who's permanently bearish, somebody who's bearish all the time, no matter what. And if there's something that, the one thing that really bothers me about market pundits is when they use like a prefab worldview to filter all the information that comes to them. And permabears, they're a good example. Like whatever the facts are, they're going to interpret it through a bearish lens. And this is obviously not really intellectually honest, right? It's the same kind of cognitive sin you commit when you look at politics through the lens of your own ideology, right? And it causes you to filter out certain things that might cause you to challenge your ideology. And of course, in the investing world, you don't want to get separated from your capital. So this is very dangerous cognitive sin. So what I want you to use permabears for is not what they say per se, but to use it as a balancing agent to make sure that you're protected from being overly bullish about, say, a given stock or a given market view. So later in the video, I'll give you an example of 5 people to follow. So what you want to do is, let's say you have a bullish view on a given stock. You want the bear case, and you want to go find a permabear who can articulate the bear case on that stock. Likewise, if you have a market view that is bullish for the market in general, go get the bear case. You have a view on, say, central bank policy that's bullish, get the bear case. And this will at least temper your bullishness, and it will protect you from having like a one-sided view on things. So, and then who to follow. In social media, so on Twitter, for example, there's Doug Kass, very reliable permabear. There's Bill Fleckenstein, again, a guy who is always bearish. And then there's Ben Hunt, who is, again, a reliable permabear. Each of these guys have different sort of subdomains of investing, but whatever they say, it's going to have a bearish tinge to it. And so it's useful, not literally in what they're saying, but in a sort of a source of balance for your views. And then in the sort of pre-social media world, there's John Mauldin, M-A-U-L-D-I-N, and Jim Grant. He's the author of the Grants Interest Rate Observer, which is a famous newsletter from the past few decades. So you could follow these 5 guys or any one of these 5 guys, or seek them out if you want to get a bearish take and use it as balance, and it'll help you protect your capital. So as always, thanks for watching, and I hope these videos are helpful.